Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone. Charge it above 30% and disable battery saver so nothing interrupts the reset. Once done, make sure you back up contacts, messages, and photos to My Cloud or to a PC. This reset will erase network and paired devices. Next, confirm your Wi-Fi password and that you know the Google or My account credentials. Now proceed to settings without delay, so you can access the exact network reset commands and avoid reboot loops later. You navigate to Settings, then System and Device and select Reset options. This path leads directly to the network reset. Tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth, and when prompted, confirm with your PIN or lock password. This authorizes erasing paired devices and stored APNs. Once confirmed, the phone performs the reset and will automatically restart to apply changes. During this step, do not power off the phone. Letting the process finish prevents partial resets that leave corrupt. After the reboot, you reconnect to Wi-Fi, re-enter any VPN or APN details, and pair Bluetooth devices again. This restores normal connectivity. Make sure you sign into your Google and My accounts so account-dependent features reconnect. Then test calls, mobile data, and hotspot to confirm full recovery. If problems persist, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, restart the phone, and if needed, manually recreate the carrier APN settings. That single APN reconfiguration often resolves lingering mobile data problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.